Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about capacitors, what they are, what they do, and why they're found in almost every electronic circuit. A capacitor stores electrical energy for a short time. Think of it like a tiny energy tank. It can charge up, hold energy briefly, then release it back into the circuit. Inside a capacitor are two metal plates separated by an insulating material called a dielectric. When voltage is applied, charge builds up on the plates. One side becomes positive and the other side becomes negative. The most important thing to remember is this: capacitors resist sudden changes in voltage. So instead of voltage changing instantly, the capacitor charges or discharges gradually. When a capacitor charges, its voltage rises over time. When it discharges, its voltage falls over time. This simple behavior makes capacitors incredibly useful. They smooth power supplies, reduce electrical noise, help chips get quick bursts of current, block DC, pass changing signals, and create timing delays. You'll see different types of capacitors in real circuits. Small ceramic capacitors are often used near ICs to reduce noise. Large electrolytic capacitors are used for power smoothing. Film capacitors are useful in audio, timing, and filtering circuits. One important warning though: some capacitors are polarised. If you connect them the wrong way round, they can fail. Always check the voltage rating before using one. So in simple terms, a capacitor stores energy, resists sudden voltage changes, and helps circuits run more smoothly. Once you understand capacitors, you'll start seeing them everywhere in electronics. If this video helped, hit the like, subscribe for more simple electronics explanations, and let me know in the comments what comment you'd want to explain next. Catch you in the next.